Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Elsa Speak. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your Elsa Speak application from your app drawer. Now, tap on the Start button from the main interface located at the bottom. Tap on the Continue button and speak the sentences that has been provided in the display. You can also skip this step for now by tap and skip at the top right. On the next page, choose your native language from the options displayed on the screen. On the next page, select why you are trying to practice the language. Now, enter your level if you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Select your practice goal from the options. Now, set a convenient time for you'd like to use in order to practice the language. After you do that, tap Next at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to create an account in order to save your progress. Enter your first name in the first text box and then type in an email address on the next. Now create a password for yourself in the password text box. While creating a password, make sure the password is at least 8 characters long and it has at least one uppercase character and at least one number or a special character in your password. After you do that, you can tap on Create My Account button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Elsa Speak. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.